"Doctor, I need your help urgently. My vision has vanished suddenly and I'm deeply worried about my eyes," I pleaded. Those desperate words reverberated in my mind as I lay on a hospital gurney, sedated and immobilized, gripped by fear. The looming diagnosis filled me with dread. The thought of a life in perpetual darkness was unbearable. I felt utterly helpless, as if my abilities had been stripped away. Ironically, that terrifying day marked the beginning of an audacious journey through the world of vision loss. It was a tumultuous ride, nearly culminating in the removal of my optic nerve and unwarranted eye surgery. After enduring a 14-month ordeal, I achieved the seemingly impossible. I not only avoided eye surgery but also discovered a simple, natural, and highly effective method to restore perfect 20/20 vision without complex procedures, medications, painful eye exercises, expensive eyewear, or contact lenses. Trust me, it's a method that even the most optimistic among us couldn't have imagined. Contrary to what media moguls and self-proclaimed medical experts claim on their health websites, the root cause of progressive vision loss has no genetic, age-related, or fabricated injury-related connection. It's all a facade, and I have the backing of 10 legal experts to prove it. In reality, diminishing eyesight is a secondary response to an unusual reaction within your bloodstream. This process not only causes vision deterioration but also weakens the optic nerve. It's a disconcerting process that infiltrates your bloodstream, breaches your blood-brain barrier, and impacts your ocular system, leaving your optic nerve withered and diminished. Recent research indicates that those born after 1960 face a 68% higher risk of this medical nightmare. Over 49 million individuals are struggling to preserve their eyesight, dreading a life in darkness. In the next 5 minutes and 30 seconds, I will explain